Hi, Pauric here, McNally Motors. Today I'm going to show you around our 2018 Honda Civic. This is the 1.6 I-DTEC Smartplus saloon model, finished in a grey metallic paint. It's got a low annual road tax of €180. It's NCT'd up until August 2024. It's got a full service history and it's only 12 months warranty. Now we'll take a look at some of the features this car has to offer. It's got the front fog lights as standard, the front and rear parking sensors. It's got the 17-inch diamond cut multi-spoke alloys with excellent tyres all around. It's got very clean bodywork all around also. It's got a nice size spacious boot with fold down seats for additional space. It's got loads of legroom in the back. It's got the Isofix for the car seats, centre armrests and cup holders, chrome door handles. It's got electric windows. It's got electric fold-in mirrors, multifunctional steering wheel with built-in phone, radio controls and cruise controls. Touchscreen radio with built-in Bluetooth. It's got the reversing camera. It's got the air conditioning with the dual climate control. Automatic handbrake with the hill start assist. It's got a 6-speed manual gearbox. Stop start function. There's 77,758 kilometers on the clock. And it's finished in a black and a grey cloth interior. This Honda Civic can make an ideal sized family car. And here at McNally Motors, we can offer a wide range of finance options to suit your needs. So give us a call on 043 33 45621 or visit our website at www.mcnallymotors.ie where you can view this car and you can also book a test drive. Thanks very much.